What's up? What are you doing in my house?
You're a tree. Why are you wearing shoes?
Oh, those are my Allbirds. You know, the world's most comfortable shoes. They're highly sustainable and made entirely with natural and recycled materials. They've got breathable uppers made with South African tree fibers, extra cozy wool insoles made with castor bean oil, bouncy sugarcane outsoles, and laces made with recycled plastic bottles.
Whoa.
Why aren't you wearing shoes?
So that I can be one with nature!
Good luck with that.